the chilly hours and minutes of uncertainty. I want to be in the warm hold of your loving mind, to feel you all around me and to take your hands. I know this sun, but I may as well try and catch the wind. When sundown paves the sky, I want to hide a while behind your smile, and everywhere I look your eyes are fine. For me to love you now would be the sweetest thing, which would make me sing, but I may